Don't buy a sandwich before watching this video. Practical and delicious recipe. For this recipe, we're going to add an egg here in a container. Add a spoonful of mayonnaise, a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of oregano, and we're going to hit it really well. And guys, you're already commenting for me. What city are you watching us from? And I'm going to send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. I'm now going to be cutting a tomato into cubes here. Like this here. Also cutting a green pepper into cubes. And cut 80 grams of ham also into small cubes. Like this. Add green smell. 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. And we are going to mix all these ingredients very well. Guys, this recipe is super easy to make. You can see that it's quick to do, and it looks wonderful. I'm sure all of you who do won't regret it. You'll love it. They're going to add our mix. Now I'm just going to mix it up here, okay? And add over our buns. I'm using 6 loaves and I'm going to put them on all of them like this here. In a form I will grease with plenty of butter. And add to our sandwiches. Now just put it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 7 minutes, and our sandwiches are ready. Look guys, what a delight it was. You saw that it's super easy and very quick to do. So if you liked it, already share it and see you next time.